Every day, thousands of containers cross the Indian Ocean, linking two regions with centuries of shared history, India and Africa. For generations, merchants sailed these waters, carrying spices, textiles, gold, and ideas. Today, those same sea lanes are filled with pharmaceuticals, machinery, technology, agricultural products, and investment. So why is India's partnership with Africa growing? And what role could the Indian Ocean play in the next chapter of global trade? India's engagement with Africa is more than just diplomacy. It's a vision for shared growth, mutual respect, and a strategic partnership that stretches across continents. This relationship is built on centuries of cultural exchange, historical trade, and a growing recognition that the future of both regions is deeply intertwined. Once a distant trading partner, Africa has now become central to India's global ambitions. The continent's vast resources, youthful population, and emerging markets offer India opportunities for economic expansion and deeper influence. For India, Africa is both a market and a partner. For Africa, India is a source of investment, technology, and vital skills. This partnership is not just about trade, but about building capacity, sharing knowledge, and creating opportunities for millions. Strengthening these ties could transform entire economies, lifting millions out of poverty and driving innovation. But balancing interests and influence remains a challenge, as both sides seek to protect their sovereignty and ensure fair benefits. Africa's rapidly growing population and dynamic markets are vital for India's expanding economy and global reach. The continent's development is closely linked to India's own aspirations for leadership on the world stage. Infrastructure can be built, but the real challenge lies in navigating complex politics, forging lasting partnerships, and respecting local priorities. Success depends on trust, transparency, and a willingness to adapt. Every deal must address sovereignty, security, and fair economic benefits for all. Only then can true partnership flourish. Will India gain a security role in Africa's ports? Will African nations retain full control over their resources and borders? These are questions that demand careful negotiation and mutual understanding. These questions shape India's Africa strategy, a story of ambition, cooperation, and careful negotiation, where the promise of prosperity is matched by the need for respect and balance. For centuries, the Indian Ocean has served as a vital bridge between Africa and Asia. From the days of ancient mariners piloting dhows along the monsoon winds, to today's massive cargo ships charting global shipping lanes, this ocean has shaped the destiny of nations on both continents. Its waters have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the exchange of ideas, and the blending of cultures. The Indian Ocean is not just a body of water. It is a living, breathing corridor of history, commerce, and human connection. The stories of countless traders, explorers, and migrants are etched into its waves, making it a silent witness to the ambitions and struggles of generations. The Indian Ocean remains one of the world's busiest maritime regions, linking ports, industries, and supply chains from Mombasa to Mumbai, from Durban to Dubai. Its waters carry everything from oil and minerals to electronics and food, making it a lifeline for billions. Every day, thousands of vessels crisscross these waters, transporting goods that fuel economies and sustain livelihoods. The ocean's currents and trade winds have dictated the rhythms of commerce for centuries, and today, advanced navigation and logistics have only intensified its importance. The Indian Ocean is the artery through which the lifeblood of global trade flows, connecting distant shores and diverse peoples. Geography is at the heart of this story. The proximity of Africa's eastern coastline to the vast markets of Asia has always given the region strategic importance. Natural harbors, navigable waters, and the predictable rhythm of the monsoon winds have made trade possible for millennia. The unique geography of the Indian Ocean rim has fostered not only economic exchange, but also cultural and technological diffusion. Cities and civilizations have flourished along these shores, drawing strength from their access to the sea and the opportunities it brings. Today, geography continues to shape the fortunes of nations. Ports along the Indian Ocean rim are gateways to economic opportunity, but also flashpoints for competition and conflict. Whoever controls these maritime corridors holds the keys to regional power. The stakes are high as nations vie for influence over critical choke points and shipping lanes. The Indian Ocean is not just a route for goods, it is a stage for diplomacy, rivalry, and sometimes confrontation, where the ambitions of global and regional powers intersect. As global trade grows, the Indian Ocean's role only becomes more critical. Its waters connect continents, cultures, and economies, reminding us that geography still matters, perhaps now more than ever. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, the Indian Ocean stands as a testament to the enduring power of place, shaping the destinies of nations and the lives of billions who depend on its vast, restless expanse. Across Africa, trade is expanding at an unprecedented pace, transforming the economic landscape of the continent. Manufacturing hubs are now producing everything from pharmaceuticals and vehicles to advanced machinery, fueling local industries and creating thousands of new jobs. Warehouses and cargo terminals hum with activity as goods move in and out, connecting African businesses to global markets. Customs operations, once a bottleneck, have become more efficient thanks to digital innovations and streamlined processes, making it easier for companies to trade across borders. Meanwhile, business districts are thriving as new opportunities emerge, attracting entrepreneurs, investors, and skilled professionals from across the region. This surge in trade is not just about numbers, it's about people, communities, and the promise of a brighter future for millions. The continent's trade network now stretches across East, West, and Southern Africa, connecting major partners and driving economic growth. These connections are strengthening regional ties, fostering collaboration, and enabling African nations to compete on the world stage. As trade routes expand, cities and ports are becoming vital hubs of commerce, innovation, and opportunity. Trade has diversified far beyond traditional commodities. Today, pharmaceuticals, vehicles, machinery, agricultural products, information technology, and services all play a vital role in Africa's economic landscape. This diversification is helping to build resilience, reduce dependency on a few sectors, and create new pathways for growth. From high-tech labs to fertile farmlands, African innovation is reaching new heights, and the world is taking notice. Over time, Africa's trade has evolved and diversified. What once centered on a handful of raw materials now includes a wide array of products and services, reflecting the continent's growing integration into the global economy. This transformation has been shaped by decades of hard work, visionary leadership, and the determination of countless individuals and communities. Today, Africa stands at a crossroads, ready to seize new opportunities and write the next chapter in its trade story. As trade continues to grow, Africa's connections with the world deepen, opening new markets and creating opportunities for millions. The continent's future is being shaped by this dynamic and ever-expanding web of commerce. With every shipment, every handshake, and every new partnership, Africa is building a foundation for lasting prosperity and global influence. India has become a major supplier of affordable medicines to many African countries, helping to improve healthcare access across the continent. Indian pharmaceutical companies and medical researchers are forging partnerships that advance both innovation and public health. Technology companies and software firms from India are expanding their presence in Africa, bringing digital services and expertise. Education partnerships are also growing, with digital learning bridging gaps and building skills for the future. These sectors, healthcare, technology, and education, complement traditional trade, creating new opportunities and strengthening ties between India and Africa. Across the Horn of Africa, infrastructure is transforming the region's economic landscape. Roads, railways, ports, and power projects are being financed through a mix of government funding, international loans, and private sector investment. In Ethiopia, new railways and highways connect landlocked cities to ports in Djibouti, while upgraded ports handle growing trade volumes. Power projects, like hydroelectric dams and solar farms, are expanding access to electricity and fueling industrial growth. Industrial parks attract both local and foreign investors, creating jobs and boosting exports. Development cooperation and private investment vary by project and country, reflecting diverse strategies and priorities. These investments are reshaping the region, one road, railway, and power line at a time. The Indian Ocean is a vital artery for global trade, linking Africa, Asia, and the Middle East through secure sea lanes. These shipping lanes carry everything from energy supplies to consumer goods, making maritime connectivity essential for the world economy. Secure and efficient ports ensure that goods flow smoothly between continents, supporting millions of jobs and fueling economic growth. In a world dependent on maritime trade, the Indian Ocean's sea lanes are not just routes, they are lifelines for global commerce. Across the Horn of Africa, new opportunities are emerging. Universities are nurturing talent, startups are driving innovation, and factories are fueling industrial growth. Skills development is on the rise, with a new generation preparing for the demands of a digital economy. Manufacturing is expanding, offering jobs and boosting exports. Financing and digital innovation are opening doors for entrepreneurs and small businesses, but infrastructure needs remain vast. Modern roads, ports, and logistics centers are essential for growth. Trade barriers and regulatory hurdles still slow the movement of goods and people. Regional integration offers hope. By working together, countries can unlock shared prosperity. The Horn of Africa faces both opportunities and challenges. Balancing skills development, manufacturing, digital growth, and integration will shape its future. The story of India and Africa is not new, but it is evolving. Growing trade, investment, technology, healthcare, and maritime links are creating new opportunities for both regions. The future will depend on how these partnerships develop and how they contribute to long-term economic growth. The Indian Ocean is no longer just a route between continents. It is a bridge connecting two rapidly changing regions.